All right, a question on low diagrams. So you're given two scenarios, both for basketball. And for the first scenario, the basketball is dropped from the height falls to the ground. Initial state is when the ball is high up, and the final state is when the ball is going to hit the ground. You are told that the system is the ball and the ground together. So therefore, together at the start, the ball is higher up on the ground, so it has a bit of GPE. So we put a GPE bar over here, and at the end, air resistance is assumed to be negligible, so there's no arrow out, no energy loss because of air resistance, and therefore all the GPE now it gets converted to KE just before the ball hits the ground. So just take note in the diagram, if you have drawn a bar here, make sure that the KE bar is of the same height, signifying that is the energy before and energy after in the system is the same. So this will be the formula. You are also asked to describe if there is any energy entering or leaving the system over here. So do have this in your answer written explicitly. No energy enters or leaves the system. In part 2, the final state is now defined to be just after the first rebound. So initially there's a lot of GP as per normal, and after the rebound, the ball is has very low GP, but it has actually very high kinetic energy because the GP has been converted to kinetic energy. That's why the ball is able to be launched outwards against gravity to go up. So there's a lot of kinetic energy here. However, there is also a small bit of internal energy as heat, because during the rebound, the compressing of the basketball and expanding of basketball, all these generates heats because of friction. So we represent this using a small bit of internal energy. Now there's also some sound energy. You can hear the ball bouncing when it hits the ground. So there's energy transfer out of the ball and the ground because of sound energy. So therefore, this will be the formula, and there's energy leaving the system in the form of sound energy found in the air, and the pathway for this is through the propagation of waves, mechanical waves, sound waves. So in part B, describe the pathway energy for A part 1. So again, reminder, always tag the type of the energy to the object that you can find the energy in. So gravitational potential store energy in the gravitational potential store of the ball, transferred mechanically, use the pathways to the kinetic store of the ball. And this is because the weight of the ball actually acts and pushes the ball along the same direction as the force downwards.